Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
To change the water filter in your Whirlpool refrigerator, locate the filter compartment, often found in the upper right corner inside the fridge or in the base grill. Press the release button or turn the cap counterclockwise to remove the old filter. Insert the new filter into the compartment, ensuring it's fully secured. Finally, flush 4 gallons of water through the filter before use to remove any carbon residue. Remember to check your user manual for model-specific instructions.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.